Welcome, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I am Chev. If you're new to this channel, welcome. GWAN. Make sure to say subscribe down below. Y'all, I am super excited for this hairstyle that I'm about to show y'all. We are about to review this light yaki texture seamless clip-in from Betterlengths. I've been needing and wanting to get my hands on some seamless clippings, and I finally got some from Betterlengths. They are lightweight and, as the name suggests, seamless compared to regular clip-ins. So I got mine in 18 inches, and as I said before, it's a light yaki texture, and we're gonna see how well it blends with my natural hair. So I did a blowout and a light pass through with my flat iron on my hair, and so we're going to try these clip-ins. I got one bundle which has 10 pieces in it, and I just want to show you guys what it looks like from all angles. Now, since I won't be using any cornrows, I want this to look like a tape-in, because seamless clip-ins are supposed to kind of resemble tape-ins without the tension and the difficulty of being removed. So it's supposed to be the easiest way to get that look. So we're not going to do any cornrows. We're going to clip it straight onto our hair and see how secure it is. So as you guys saw before, I put the clip-ins on my hair. I did like a tease type of thing, and this is to kind of anchor the clip-ins even better onto my hair, and then I just pop them babies right on. And we did a pull test. We look at how it's laying, and I'm just loving how easy and quick the install is. And as you guys can see, I didn't have to do like a bone straight type of flat ironing with my natural hair. So if you have even coilier hair than mine, there are different textures, curlier textures that you can use. I wanted a silk press type of look, so that's why I went with the yaki. So it's not a silky type of straight, it's still giving that yaki textured as if it was my natural hair. Like you guys can see that, right? So we're just gonna keep adding the hair until I am satisfied with the look. And even though it's lightweight and seamless, it is giving full, honey. Like, the hair is full. So what you want to do is get through your entire hair first, then you can put in areas that you feel like need over time. Like if you see a little area that is looking a little bit flat, you can go ahead, but you don't want to do them too close, because don't let the seamlessness and the lightweight fool you. It is really full. So I'm just gonna continue to go around the perimeter of my head to fill that in, and then we're gonna do a side part, side bang type of look with this clip-in. So essentially what you guys are seeing me do is just try to imitate what it would look like if I had gotten a sew-in. So I'm just going around the perimeters, how it would look if this was tracks as opposed to the clip-ins. And I'm loving clip-ins, especially these seamless ones, because I can remove them when I want to, even though these ones are less tension than the regular ones and less bulky. But I tend to not like a lot of stuff on my head when I'm sleeping, so I don't do very well with sewing. So these are perfection. But with these clip-ins, I had them in for like 3 days max, and then I took them out and then restyled my hair with it, and I love it. I did that seamless ponytail that I did recently again with the bun. And girl, when I say this thing is flat, it look super flat, and I'm loving how natural, as if it's growing from my scalp. Like, you can't tell me this isn't my real hair. So I did the style the day before. Like, I used the clip-ins because I wanted to test them out before I even brought them to you guys, and I did a little layering in the front. That's why I have those little pieces, because I did take a weft and cut it up in smaller pieces so that I can fill in some areas. It depends on what you like. If you want to cut your wefts, that's up to you, okay? But I knew I was going to keep reusing these small ones in the front and create that layered look. And baby, she is giving seamless. I could do a ponytail with it like this. I can do so many things, and because of how flat it is, it's giving silk press as if it's my hair. And we still got some tracks left. We got 2 full pieces left, and I didn't think I need any more of my hair because I didn't want it to look super full. We needed to keep that natural look. So 1 bundle can definitely do your entire hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna create a little soup to the loop action. I use my little tiny flat iron, and I'm not even using any product in the front of my hair because I don't want it to look too sticky and too molded. So all I did was spray a little bit of that EBIN spray onto my edge brush and just swoop that in, and it's gonna give a nice light feathered swoop action. And girl, look at the fullness, look at the natural versatility of this install. Absolutely loving it. If you guys haven't tried them already, you need to get you some seamless clip-ins. Okay, they are absolute perfection. Chef's kiss. Like, look at that. We can do a ponytail, we can do a claw clip type of style, we can do just about anything. You can move the hair around if you want to do different styles. I can move it easy peasy in the front and do a center part. Like, girl, she is giving life right now. All the details will be in the description box down below. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel already, you need to go ahead and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this style down in the comments down below. And follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at Chev. And I'll see y'all in my next video. GWAN, big up on yourself. Bye, guys.